it's Nikisha with Sampson Properties. I'm located at 203 Pecan Lane in Stafford County. This is a 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath rambler with a finished basement with over 2,100 square feet. This rental is listed at $2,495 a month. So if you or anyone you know may be looking for a rental, please feel free to contact me at any time. I look forward to earning your business. Now, if you're ready to take a tour, come on, let's go take a look.